Though excavators are huge machines meant to lug tons of weight, the EC200D excavator from Volvo Construction Equipment was seen picking up lemons using a spoon attached at the end of its bucket. A skilled operator was picking the lemons off the ground gracefully and dropping them in a bucket as if that was a daily job for this 165 horsepower machine. The EC200D is not only agile, but it has a few smart features up its sleeve like an air-conditioned cabin and power modes. Apart from this, the company had an impressive display of excavators, wheel loaders, compactors and haulers. There was the 175 horsepower L90GZ, which looked impressive despite it being the smallest in the family. The loader has a bucket capacity of 2.4 to 4.5 ton and comes with an optional weighing system with a 10-inch touchscreen display. Then there was the new DD100B compactor powered by a BS3 engine capable of producing 104 horsepower. It has a 1675 mm wide drum with a diameter of 1219 mm and gets automatic start-stop vibration function.